I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 22nd to April the 30th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit a Zing notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So pwede rin naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Pasensya na po kung medyo na-late tayo ha. Alam niyo naman pag Holy Week, pumupunta ang mga spiritual practitioners kung saan-saan para to do their rituals. Actually, I posted those spirit quest, or spiritual quest that I did sa TikTok and sa Facebook. Ayan. But don't worry, meron po akong magandang balita by next month. So, isusurprise ko na lang kayo, pero magsimula na tayo. Virgo. I'm seeing sense of urgency. Either nagmamadali, kailangan kong tapusin, kailangan kong simulan, kailangan ko nang gawin. May mga bagay na parang feeling natin na uubusan tayo ng oras, lalo na when it comes to our partner, no? I feel like this is more of damage control than ako nakikita. Kasi sabihin natin meron challenges, no, na kayong na-experience. But then again, itong challenges na ito, parang ipinapakita lang na kakayanin ninyo. Pero mas gusto mo sana ayaw mong patagalin. So if you can do something, no, para to sabihin natin fix the issues, para wag nang lumaki, you would rather want to do it rather than antayin ko na lang siya siguro, no? Or meron na tayong parang nangangate ang ating kamay na ako na kaya yung kumausap, ako na yung mapapakumbaba, which is not really very Virgo. But then again, I think that there's some influence of because of we are in a waning moon, no? Sa 27 pa naman. So ginawa ko to before 27. So by the 27, baka mag-iba din ang mood nyo kasi for the new moon. But then again, as of the moment ko napapanood nyo to before the 27, parang meron kayong itch na kailangan kong kausapin si person. Now, with the Devil card, the 5 of Cups, and the King of Swords, I feel like meron kayong paghihinayang in a way, or nangihinayang kayo kasi at some point, no, naramdaman din ninyo na meron akong contributions dito sa bakit kami nagkakaroon ng ganito. So at least your mentality is malawak na, no? Not just pointing fingers, you're taking responsibility, you're a bigger person, probably then, hindi, kasi with the Devil card, no? Parang, you're pointing fingers that time, ikaw lang may kasalanan. But then again, when you try to, and I think that this is what you did, nagkaroon ka ng time sa buhay mo while you are in separation to think about what really happened. Parang sinabi mo, ay oo nga, meron din naman akong mga pagkakamali no, dito sa nangyari. And I want to take responsibility for it. Siguro, aaminin ko, no. Again, ayoko nang lumaki ito. Namimiss ko na rin siya with the Six of Swords, clarifying the Devil card and a Knight of Wands. So this is the energy actually moving. So hindi na ako nakakita ng stuck energies wherein nag-aantayan kayong dalawa. I feel like there's someone in here who's really going to take action, no, para at least matapos na, whether this is your person. Baka sabihin nyo, ay hindi, mamatigas ako. That's actually fine. Baka ito yung person mo, no? You can search the energies naman. Don't worry, what I am reading is the dynamic, okay? With the Three of Wands, the Strength card, and the Two of Cups. Actually, siguro ito yung part na nag-aantayan kayong dalawa. Sino ba sabi ng mauuna? There might be, kaya siguro nandito yung sense of urgency, no? Ako na kaya, kasi parang naiinip ako, no? Meron din ako nakikita dito for a few numbers of you, hindi naman siya ganun kadami. Na inaantay lang yung pag-amin ng totoong nararamdaman. Yung iba siguro kasi dito, probably nandito sila sa crushes or low labels, no? Hindi ko alam kasi kung saan ako kikilos. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako kikilos. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng misunderstanding. Siguro iniisip ng isa, oh, you're going overboard, no? Nagsiselos ka na, wala pa naman, hindi naman tayo, no? Yung ganyan. So, at some point, nakita ko din yung kilig. Right after the misunderstanding, doon na pagtanto nito ni person na ito na, uy, mahal din pala ako. No? Mahal ako ni person. Mahal ako ng person ko. Kahit wala man kaming commitment, nakikita ko na sincere, no? Kasi yung facial expressions, nakita ko dito halos parang neck to neck. So, this is a mutual understanding na siguro both of you love each other, pero sa mga nandito sa situationship, wala lang kasing umaamin. So, I feel like ito na rin ang pag-amin. This week, ang pag-amin ko ano yung totoong nararamdaman. With the Four of Wands, kinikilig naman ako dito para ako nanonood ng teleserye. Four of Wands is a stable connection. Four of Wands is building stability. It could also be home for those of you na want to make lipat na bahay. Ang arte. Four of Swords and the Seven of Wands. I feel like meron din nagsabi dito na tinatabad na rin ako sa away na ito. Walang dulot na ko-contribute ito sa ating dalawa. So might as well, no, na lang, ayusin na lang. Sayang ang oras, no, parang madami tayong pwedeng gawin. For a few numbers of you, meron ditong medyo matagal nang hindi nag-usap. Kaya ngayon nagkakaroon ng sense of urgency. I feel like someone is also threatened. Meron din ditong, for a small percentage, no, nakakakita ko na pinagselos yung kabilang party. Para, ito yung gagawin ko para magselos ka, para, you know, this might be a strategy with the Seven of Wands, no, para, you're gonna wake up, no, para, hoy, kumilos ka na dyan, meron na nag-a-approach sa akin, no, but I feel like, this is a strategy para lang makakilos yung isa. Sabihin natin, yes, may ginamit akong tao. Pero wala pa naman dun sa part na I'm having a relationship with that person. No, sorry, may nagamit ng tao. Pero I need to do that for you to take actions, no, to approach me. Let's get some more cards here. Pasensya na kung may maririnig kayong nangangampanya. Meron. This should be a soundproof and hopefully matest ko yung pagiging soundproof, no? Ang lakas kasi, may nangangampanya. Hindi ko naman in-expect, no, na sa ganitong oras, meron pang mangangampanya. Pagbigyan na natin, election naman. Who is the chariot? At wala naman tayo magagawa. So, Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. So, muntikan na to ha. Kaya pala may sense of urgency. Kasi nandito yung Eight of Cups eh. Parang napapansin, whoever this person was, napapansin niya, parang hindi kumikilos yung person ko. Meron ding takot, may fear na baka nga may entertain ng iba. Whether this is kutob, takot, or talagang nakikita na meron na nag-entertain, no, hindi ko papayagan kasi there's also a sense of ownership. Akin yan eh. And sa akin ka, di ba? Hindi mo pwede basta-basta itapadalang ganito yung relationship natin. So what I am seeing in here, surpassing the challenges of kung ikaw naman at hindi ka pa kumikilos, ayan, I think you need to take action or else baka mahuli ang lahat. Pero I feel like nararamdaman mo, there's a gut feeling in here na kailangan ko ng gawin, kailangan ko ng subukan, at kailangan ko ng kumilos, no? Para makipag-ayos or para sabihin ang totoo kung nararamdaman. Ayan, let's check the zodiac sign of your reading. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live po tayo dyan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, a name, a number, QR code, amount per questions, no, for your reference. And take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Cancer, Pisces. I am seeing Capricorn, Sagittarius. Ayan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.